Hello friends, on this video how you can use back button on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, just tap on setting. Here's just 5 gestures. There is no buttons. Okay, on the down there is no 3 buttons. You just scroll on the down. If you don't know, then here is just search settings. Search for the navigation directly and you are going to find system navigation option. Okay, click on additional setting. I think there is no option. Just scroll on the back button. Tap on search setting and search for the navigation. Search for it. Then here's just system navigation. Click on it. And from this page you can use buttons and the gestures. Okay, if you want to use buttons, then you can use by just tapping on buttons, and on the down the buttons will be shown. And if you don't want to use buttons, you want to use gestures, and you just tap on gestures and your button will be, gestures will be activated, buttons will be on hide, and now buttons will be shown and gestures will be hide. Okay, you can use right now back buttons. So friends, this is how you can use your back button on your mobile phone. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.